In this video, I'll show you how to make an ElevenLabs voice laugh, cry, or yell, and the easiest way to get more emotional and expressive results from your voice generation. First, here's the most important update. ElevenLabs now highlights 11v3 for more expressive speech, and its official blog says V3 introduces audio tags that can control emotion, pacing, and even nonverbal delivery. ElevenLabs describes V3 as an alpha research preview, and it specifically says this model needs more prompt engineering than earlier models. So if you want a voice to sound like it's laughing, crying, or yelling, the best starting point is to use 11v3 and write your script with emotional direction built in. ElevenLabs says audio tags are script-level tools that let you shape emotion and delivery, including things like tone shifts, pauses, and reactions. For example, you can write lines with tags like laughing, crying, or shouting before the part you want performed that way. ElevenLabs V3 materials say audio tags can control tone, emotion, and nonverbal reactions. And their examples include tags such as excited, whispers, and sighs. That means emotional tags are the main tool you should experiment with when you want stronger performances. The next big tip is to write like a performance, not just plain text. ElevenLabs' Best Practices Guide says you can control delivery, pronunciation, and emotion through how you structure the text itself. So instead of typing one flat sentence, add punctuation, pauses, and emotional context. For a laugh, you might write a playful line and include a tag before it. For crying, use softer wording, hesitations, or emotional beats. For yelling, use stronger phrasing and a more intense tag or instruction. Another important detail is voice choice. ElevenLabs says selecting the right voice matters because some voices naturally suit certain emotional styles better than others. If one voice doesn't sell the emotion well, try another voice or use voice design to generate a voice that better matches the kind of character you want, whether that's dramatic, funny, fierce, or emotional. Now here's something really useful. If you want stronger emotional reactions, don't just type the tag once and expect perfection immediately. ElevenLabs says V3 requires more prompt engineering, which means you should test small variations. Change the wording, move the tag, shorten the sentence, or separate lines into smaller chunks until the performance sounds right. You also remember that ElevenLabs treats this as part of expressive text-to-speech, not just sound effects. Its text-to-speech documentation says the system adapts to textual cues with nuanced intonation, pacing, and emotional awareness. So the emotion often comes from the combination of the voice, the script, and the tags together. A smart workflow is this. Choose an expressive voice, switch to 11v3, add emotional audio tags, keep your sentences short, and generate a few versions until one sounds natural. And if you need real-time use instead of maximum expressiveness, ElevenLabs says V2.5 Turbo or Flash is still recommended for real-time and conversational cases for now. So to make an ElevenLabs voice laugh, cry, or yell, use 11v3. Add emotional audio tags, write your script like a performance, test different voices, and iterate until the emotion sounds believable. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.